Autocratic leadership, in simple terms, is a style where a leader holds significant control over decision-making within a group or an organization. This leader tends to make decisions independently with little or no input from the team. They typically retain authority and expect strict compliance with their directives. At its core, autocratic leadership is characterized by a top-down approach. The leader exercises full control, dictating tasks, making decisions, and setting the rules without consulting team members at all. This style often involves a hierarchy structure where the leader's instructions are expected to be followed promptly and without question. One defining aspect of autocratic leadership is the centralized authority. The leader assumes the role of the primary decision maker, relying on their own judgment and expertise rather than seeking input or feedback from others. This centralized control allows for quick decision making and clear directions, as there is minimal deliberation or debate involved. The communication in autocratic leadership flows predominantly in one direction, from the leader to the team. Instructions and expectations are clearly conveyed, and the leader typically expects strict adherence to the guidelines. While this approach ensures a clear chain of command, it can also lead to limited collaboration and stifled creativity within the team. Autocratic leaders often exhibit a strong and assertive demeanor, emphasizing their authority to maintain order and ensure tasks are completed effectively. They may not actively seek the opinions and ideas of their team members, instead expecting unquestioning obedience to achieve objectives. While this style can be effective in certain situations, such as urgent decision-making or in industries where a strict hierarchy is necessary, it also has its drawbacks. Team members might feel disengaged or demotivated due to the lack of involvement in decision-making processes. Moreover, it could stifle innovation and creativity within the team, as individual output is not encouraged or valued. Additionally, an over-reliance on the leader's judgment can lead to burnout or decision fatigue for the leader themselves. It might also create dependency within the team, where members may not develop the problem-solving skills or take initiative in the absence of explicit instructions. Autocratic leadership is characterized by a leader-centric approach where the leader holds significant control over decision-making. While it can be effective in certain situations that require quick decisions and a clear chain of command, it may limit collaboration, innovation, and team engagement. Successful leadership often involves flexibility, considering various styles depending on the context and needs of the team or organization. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.